this month.
Thutha wa kuhotana githurano-ini kinene githiru riu kaunti ya Naikuru ni gukorwo na gavana mweru thutha wa kweheria gavana wa mbere kaunti-ini iyo Kinuthia Mbugua. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa kamiti ya gutabarira uiyukia wa wathani Joseph Mutari, mehaririria macio maria matanyitwo kuhanika tariki 21 mweri uyu kiharo-ini kia monania ma urimi matanyitwo kuhuthira kigina gia gatagati wa shiringi milioni 7 na milioni 8.
It will be on the 21st of August 2017. This is not a date that is just picked. It is by law that we count 10 days from the date that the elections or the governor was declared winner. So if you count that, it comes up to 21st.
Mutari ni athiete na mbere kuga Lee Kinyanjui agakorwo akihitithio ni mucirithania wa igoti nene kuringana na watho wa bururi.
The attendance, those who will attend definitely are the leaders, the elected leaders. The elected leaders, we have the MCAs elects. We have definitely the chief guest of the occasion will be the governor elect.
Gavana uria uraumagara Kinuthia Mbugua ni atanyitwo gwikinya mambura-ini macio niguo kunengerana muthegi wa utongoria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.